Hello viewers, this is Immense Electrical Engineering. Today I'm here to educate my viewers on how to wire one gang switch control with two lamps. So as you can see my board, and then I've demonstrated the pipe work on the board. So we have our circular box. This is our three circular box, but we'll be using two. So the two circular box, which is 1 and then 2, is our lamp holder. We'll be using our lamp holder there. And then these two buttress box is our switches, which is our two control switch. This and this is our two control switch. So this breaker we will be representing it as a main switch. Yeah, so this breaker is our main switch. So I'm here to teach you the materials and then the tools that we need for the work done. So first of all, we need our lamp holder. So second, we need our PVC insulation cable 1.5, live and neutral. And then we need our switches, which is our one gang switch 2. And then our tools that we need is our cutter and then our plier. So I'm here to demonstrate the wiring for you. So please stay tuned and watch what I'm about to do. Thank you very much. So our first step is we need our fishing tape to fish out our power supply. So from the main switch to our 3x3 buttress box. So we are taking our power supply. So our power supply is coming from where our main switch is. So this is our main switch, which is the breaker. So that place is where our power supply is coming from. So remember that that's the first step. So we are bringing it to where our 3x3 buttress box is. So now we've reached our destination. So we are done with the first step. The second step is to draw the stripers cable. So from the one gang switch to another one gang switch. So see how we are doing it, okay? So what we need to do now is to draw a cable through stripers. These are two stripers from one switch, from this switch to the second switch. So this is how it goes. So what the cable that we are using, this one that we are drawing is a stripers. It's called stripers. So it's two. We are drawing two cables. So we've reached our destination. So we have two cables here. We have three cables here. So we bring our stripers. These are two stripers. So here we need our switch cable. So the switch cable will come to this place, and then we will join it to here and then here, and then we will bring our neutral. So we'll be done with what we are doing. So the next step is bring our switch cable. So the third step is to draw our switch cable. So first of all, we'll be starting from where our lamp holder will be. So we'll be drawing it from where the lamp holder will be. So we are drawing the cable. So we are bringing it to where our 3x3 mattress box is. So as you can see, we've reached our destination. So this cable is 1, 2, 3, and then here too is 1, 2, 3. So we have this cable is our power supply, and then these are our stripers, and then here is our stripers, and then this place is our switch cable. Yeah, so as you can see, we have 3 here, and then we have 3, 2 here. And then what we need to do, the next step is to loop the switch cable from this place to that place, the first lamp holder. So that's our next step. So the fourth step is to loop the switch cable from lamp 2 to lamp 1. So first we are drawing the switch cable from lamp 2 to lamp 1. So we are looping. This is called looping to lamp 1. So the last but not the least is to connect our neutral cable. So the last but not the least is to draw the neutral cable. So we have our neutral cable here. We are about to draw the neutral cable. So we will draw it from lamp 2. So this is my lamp. So we draw our neutral. I'm coming to lamp 1. So this is our lamp 1. And then we need to loop it to the power supply neutral. So as you can see, we've done with this one too, the connection here. So as for these 2 cables, it's our power supply cables that you are seeing. So all will be going to the breaker, yeah, which is our main switch. Okay, so I'm done with the connection. I'm here to terminate my switches and then my lamp holders. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, you like, and then you comment under it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.